a nice jacket on. Eh?
Well, tell them thank you. You can't live without those frontline workers. So
They're doing
thank you
O
again.
Canada over there.
Are they?
Gotta go.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. Good job. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Okay, good. Thank you.
Opa, we got so many people out here, I think we're gonna need 2 cameras.
I think so. I think so. That's more the better. Hey.
Everybody running now.
Okay. Okay. You're on camera.
Right, you're on camera.
Woohoo. Hey guys. I see Grandma. Can you wave, Grandma? I got you. I gotta get up.
Here.